What's up? As you can see, Volvo is almost ready. Okay, the brakes are almost ready. I'm still missing the windscreen. Front brakes are ready and I put some new hoses in the front. This is okay. And this back is also okay. I have pads already there, and as you can see, the wheel is spinning. Now I'm bleeding the brakes, and I use this vacuum pump, but it doesn't work with this car. Some of you might know that these Volvo's brakes are sometimes quite difficult to bleed. I don't know if you can see this from this picture, but the front is very low and I raised the rear so that the air would go to the back, because yesterday when I started to bleed these brakes, I bleeded I started from the rear, of course, right rear, but I couldn't get any brake fluid out of the system. But I managed to bleed the front brakes. So the problem is that there is some air in that brake line and I can't get any brake fluid from the rear brake calipers, but I raised the rear and then I put this hose, the bleeding screw, and as you can see now I have managed to get some brake fluid through the system, but I will keep doing this. I remember that especially with this 140 series there's a problem that it's quite difficult to get the air out of the system. There's some kind of valves in between the main cylinder and this brake caliper. My next plan is to bleed the brakes and then put the wheels back and then make a small test drive. So that test drive will be probably the next video. The test drive, because I want to drive this car to the trailer so that I can go shop that can put the windscreen back on. So that's important to get this ready for driving. But after I have put those tires on and I will get that windscreen, I think this car will be quite ready for the MOT, and I hope I can get this on the road in this summer. And with Saab, I hope I can do the pressure test on Wednesday. I will take the plugs out and then I will measure the cylinder pressure, because I know that there's at least in one cylinder there is a problem, but I have to redo the test. And then I will check also the timing. It's quite easy in this car because there's no any shield on that flywheel. As you can see, there's a mark there and there's a mark somewhere on the flywheel. So with the timing lamp it's very easy to measure the timing. And as you can see, there's an empty spot. I managed to change the Hyundai Getz drive shaft boot, and as you can see, there's no oil on the floor, so that was successful. So I hope I don't have to fix that Hyundai quite soon. It should be okay. And some of you have asked that what's the thing with the Chevy. There's that relay. The problem is that there's something electrical, because when I turn the key, the glow box doesn't work, so it won't start. And I have been doing some tests, but I'm actually quite poor with these car electrics, so I need help of my neighbor. And I'm counting on him that he can help me to solve the problem, because that's steering pole is quite difficult to take out. I hope the fault is not there, but it probably is, so then it's a quite big job to fix this problem. Quite much talk, but next time you will see some action also. Please give me a thumbs up and some comments. What kind of videos would you like to see? And don't worry, I'll be back soon.